Beautiful sunrise. We're up and about on our walk today. South Carolina, a lot of Spanish moss, live oak trees. And what do the birds find? Parrots have found a tire swing. I'm gonna go ahead and take a swing. We're gonna continue on with our walk to try to get some steps in before we head onto the boat. You watching the shrimp fleet? Pretty cool. You guys want to go crabbing, don't you? Waiting for the sun to clear the trees. It's a beautiful morning here in McClellanville, South Carolina. I can hear small boats operating. Hold on, guys. That's not a water slide. This is a boat. You cannot go play on their boat, even though it looks so cool. See motor vessel Cetus is at the dock, preparing to get underway. We're getting ready to leave Leland Wool Company, Jeremy's Creek. Birds are checking out their sign. Dock and dine, $20. It's time to go. Let's go ahead and get the boat secured. We're going offshore today. Come on, guys. Everybody on the boat.